yeah. Africa to the world, from the soil to the sky. One voice, one camera, one truth. Wode Maya, long live Africa, yeah. From the red soil road to the city lights, you carry Africa in your lens at night. They told that story wrong for many years. You turned the pain into hope, wiped out tears. No fake life, no borrowed pride, just truth and love walking side by side. From Ghana streets to every land, you raised the flag with your own hands. You showed the beauty they never showed, the smiles, the grind, the seeds we sow. You said Africa no be poor, now the whole wide world they knock our door. When they talk down, you talk truth. You give the mic to the unheard youth. Every dream you help amplify. Africa rise, Africa fly. Wode Maya, Africa loves you. From the east to the west, we salute you. You changed the story, changed the view. Africa to the world, we see through you. Wode Maya, living legend, biggest asset, no need question. One heart, one fight, long live Africa, long live Wode Maya. Educator with a simple way, teaching hope with the words you say. Not in the classroom, but on the road. Every video lifting heavy loads. Philanthropy deep, you give back more. Building dreams, opening doors. You don't just talk, you really show how African greatness supposed to glow. From the villages to skyscraper plans, you connect the dots, you join their hands. Black excellence on global screens, turning local dreams to worldwide scenes. You made us proud to say our name, African blood running through our veins. No shame, no fear, no disguise. You made us love our roots, our lives. Wode Maya, Africa loves you. From the north to the south, we salute you. You changed the story, changed the view. Africa to the world, we see through you. Hey. Wode Maya, African giant. Work loud, your heart silent. One dream, one truth, one fire. Long live Africa, long live Wode Maya. Who show Africa beauty? Who carry truth with duty? Who turn hate into pride? Wode Maya. Who make Africans worldwide? Wode Maya. Hands up for the continent. Love deep, no counterfeit. This one no be hype or play. Now gratitude we dey spray. They used to doubt us, now they learn. From African minds, the world they earn. You told our people stand tall. Now we breaking every wall. One camera, but millions see a future full of possibility. You didn't wait for permission, you move with clear vision. Now you're proof that change starts with one idea, one heart, one son. Africa thanks you every day for believing in us this way. Wode Maya, Wode Maya, Africa loves you. Africa the love. From the east to the west, we salute you. We salute you. Change the story, change the view. Change the Africa to the world, we see through you. Wode Maya, living legend, African giant. One heaven sent, one white, one voice, one dream, one fight. Long live Africa, long live Wode Maya. Africa to the world, we rise together. Long live Wode Maya. Wode Maya.